Okay guys, with another YouTube video, we are going to be unboxing the RC car. It's a drift car, drift power slide, Fast and Furious. You can go to Walmart, any Walmart. It will run around $39.99. It has a boost button. You need 2 AA's. It comes with a USB. Comes with all this. 4 extra drift tires. Runs up to, I think that's like 6. Plays up to 16 vehicles. Longer range, up to 150 feet. Guess we can get right into it. Let's open it. We got our box cutter. Sorry about that. It does come with instructions. There's the car. Alright, unscrew that. Then there's the car itself. We will have to cut this. Oh, what's this? Okay. What is that? What is it? The hell is that? Comes with the USB plug-in. Oh. Then let's take the top off of it. There's these little tiny clips. There are going to be a part 2 to this video because it is already 3 minutes long. That's the inside, that's the shell. Open the rest of this. There's the remote with the power button. Okay, if you guys like this video, subscribe, share. There's going to be part 2 coming up. Bye, guys.